So first thing that we do is we set the brake, and that just push down the brake pedal and then lock the hydraulic valve. So that sets the brakes on this. And then the next thing you do is you lift the nose up, just grab the pedal and get your tire nice and square. And so this is our trike dolly cart, and you'll see what it does in just a moment. We'll untie the wing. It's had the seat belts holding it. It's pretty windy here. And then we're going to go ahead and we're going to pull our 2 speed pins out of the roll cage. Then you stand inside these 2 boxes here. Nose will stop like this, and then you tighten it down. You want to get it good and tight, and that's all you need to do there. We use these Velcro straps. Make sure that during transport there's no bouncing around.
And we go ahead and release the tip batten. And then the sprogs and the dive sticks. Velcro them into place. And loosen all the strings. And pull out the battens.
Let me detension the haul back first.
I currently have a
And then what you want to do is you want to go ahead and detension the wing up here. And loosen that up. And that way you can take the larger battens out. You never want any tension on the battens when you're putting them in or out.
Help me roll the wing.
And make sure that you take the nose cone off before folding the wing down, and you can tuck it into place right up here. You walk the wing in while flipping over the fabric over the other side. You want to make sure you keep an eye on the prop. Not get too close to it. And again, you want to just make sure that you have the prop in the area so none of the blades will go through. You can just roll it up. You want to pull the fabric nice and tight so it's almost perpendicular, and then start rolling it up. It's always nice to have a friend that'll help you. whatever position you would like the trike to be in. And it's all ready to go into the trailer.